First of all, I would like to thank you, CMPL. It's a great experience and it's one single platform where manufacturer, service provider, and even college educator, we can collaborate and share the information or knowledge. So one is be change in yourself so you can change the world. Future is great, which I can see. It is a great, again I will tell, it is a great place for collaboration, for development of our business. If you are a business partner, if you are a service partner, you can have a great things at one point. So always is the best part to be that always I used to visit CMPL, and I would encourage everyone to visit CMPL and have explore as a business person. So our today's our discussion was on packaging, sustainability, and as we are depleting in the fossil fuel now, what is our future? So that was our topic. In that, how we are working, how the companies, how the government, how the educational institutions are working together for a better future. So we are working like how to reduce the carbon footprint. But good thing in our session was youngsters are coming up. They have different approach how our Earth, our planet can be a good for a future living. So that was our goal, to be a good planet. Future should be a great for our upcoming generations. So I am part of my NIPTM. I was a master's from NIPTM, and I'm currently working as a deputy manager in supply chain services at Snowman. I have around 9 years of experience. So I was working for procurement of packaging and sustainable packaging, how it can be done for Taco Bell, and currently I'm taking care of Tim Horton brand, which is a coffee brand. So there how we can work, I'm working on how to reduce the carbon footprint by reducing the direct plastic to indirect plastic. Indirect means like biodegradable plastics. To reduce the footprint by supply chain, efficiency of supply chain can be done by encouraging renewable fuel, EVs, CNGs and all. So this is my small brief. One-stop solution for business, for knowledge, for information.